Yo, what's poppin', people? Today is day 2. You know, I actually just woke up. I'm exhausted. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I recall them blue barking balls. I used to dress. What a mess, I confess. Alright. I'm up now. I'm feeling good. But I gotta see somebody. Good morning, man. Hello. Good morning. Hi. How are you doing? Where you going, man? Come on. You ready? What's up, man? What's up? Man. What you doing? Okay. We are on a mission. Me and Dominic. He needs coffee, that's all. Okay, we're here. You ready, man? You ready? Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Can I just do a large decaf iced coffee with cream and sugar?
Sure, honey. Anything else?
That's all. Yep. That's exactly it. Told you wanted coffee. Okay, we're back now. And did I tell you that I can cook? Would you like to see? Okay, class. This is Jefferson Watts. This is class 101 for cooking. Now, there's going to be a cook here today. His name is Clanperini. Yes, I know it's a very odd name, but you're going to write down, you're going to tell me what you would like today, okay? So, Jackson, what would you like for today?
Could you make me peanut butter and jelly?
Okay, that's very good. Good thinking, I like that, okay. Alright, now, Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
What would you like?
Yo, can you make me a buffalo chicken quesadilla?
Ah, okay, yeah. Thinking outside of the box. Alright, I like it. Now, last, we have David. David, are you here? Okay, David, what would you like today?
That's really cool. What I want? I need a quesadilla.
I got a good one.
Can you cook, man? I'm getting hungry at the minute, man. Come on. I'm hungry, you know?
Okay. Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave, okay? And Clanperini will be coming in here in just a moment, okay? Thank you, okay. Ciao, buongiorno. This is Clanperini. Okay, I'm cooking today, people. You ready? I'm gonna make some good stuff. Okay, here we go. First time, egg roll. Oh. Well, I wasn't expecting that. Man, you're pro. You can do it with one hand. Oh yeah. Part 2, after cracking the eggs. You gotta whisk it up, man. Whisk it up. Okay. Now, take a little piece of butter. Throw it on in. Turn it on, baby. Now, take these eggs right here. Take them. Throw it on in. Okay, so now David, if you're actually paying attention, this is how you make eggs. Okay? He's not paying attention. Bam! That's how you make eggs. Scrambled eggs. It's that easy. Peanut butter! Jelly! Some freaking bread, son. We gonna make some peanut butter and jelly. You ready, Jack? First step numero uno. Some peanut butter. Some jelly. Ooh, that's new. Ooh, okay. Alright. Be extra careful. Oh yeah. Alright. Peanut butter, jelly, mixing. Now you actually have to cut it in half. You can't just have one big piece of bread. Come on. Bam! Okay. And now last, the buffalo chicken wrap. Now, all you need, it's very simple actually. All you need is pieces of chicken, some hot sauce, and in your opinion, I mean, I don't know what you guys want, but you can do some blue cheese, or you can do some ranch. You can choose it. Now, what you do is you cut out your pieces of chicken here. Okay, now, let's turn this baby on. And first thing you want to do, throw that chicken right on in there. Throw it on in. Alright, we got the chicken going in here. It's in here now. Then, once it's fully cooked, guys, once it's fully cooked, that's when you start throwing in the hot sauce. Now, you gotta put this down just a little bit to let it cool off a little. And take the hot sauce, throw it on in there. Now don't do too much, but you also need a good amount. You gotta eyeball it. Now you gotta mix it up. Then throw in either that blue cheese or ranch, whatever you guys need. It all depends on you guys. Now that you got that cooking, last thing you need, throw a little cheese on there. You can do some mozzarella cheese, some American cheese, whatever cheese you need. While that's cooking, you need, grab a plate. Bam! Alright, now what you want to do is hold it up. Like you're gonna do it. Take that, throw it back in there. Yeah, in there. And I'm finished. Voila!
Cause it is a crime. You know it is with unbelievable measures. How far will you go before correcting your errors? Mine is just a twirl, so what you got a girl? We be all messed up and you rule the world. Sweep up the dirt, concentrating on my work. My gangsta style rap will hurt.
So, how was it? What do you guys think? Eggs.
It's okay.
Really? Forget you guys. Man, you're in the camera. You want peanut butter and jelly? You want me some peanut butter? Oh, okay. Just to let you guys know that I am a professional when it comes to making PB&J. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. How you feeling? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.